Which thread would you choose for this fabric? While I was going through all my drawers trying to find the perfect match, I had a few options, and I'll show you what I had the options for and what I actually chose. I'm Jam Taylor, and I give you quick tips on sewing. First, I grabbed my gold. I wasn't super happy with that, so never mind. Then I grabbed this tan here. Tan fabric, tan, should be fine, right? Not quite. Or will the gray? Take your guess right now. What would actually be the right color? That's right, the gray actually, which is weird because you would have thought it's a brown fabric, but there's actually way more gray in this than we realize, a little more bluish tints, if you will. I'm not going to go over the whole color wheel theory. You've probably seen it before if you want to see it. But these sort of things are important when you're trying to find the right match for your fabrics. You don't need every single color under the rainbow. I would say I probably have about 20 different colors in my collection, and it covers pretty much everything. So, what color is the like button? What color is it now?